I'm here at side in Northridge Mall. I'm going to eat lunch already. There's a little people eating here inside the mall, and few people, but it's too early for my today's video. I'm going to walk around to check what I'm going to eat today for my today's video. Let me check what's the best food what I'm going to eat. This is the totally tea, and then this is the master gun, and then this is the bar pizza, and then this is the one my favorite to order it for my today's vlog. Let me see, this is my favorite food over here. Oh my goodness, so yummy.